This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Louis Eisenberg. See this lovely waterfront 3-bedroom, 2.5 baths, 3rd floor condominium unit on the Lafayette River. Huge open living area floor plan. Living room, dining room, and den/office that can be converted to 3rd bedroom. 2 assigned parking spaces. Enjoy gorgeous Lafayette River views and magnificent sunsets. Condo fees include gas, electric, HVAC, water, 7-day reception desk coverage, elevator, basic cable, saltwater pool, library, expansive community/meeting room with water views and full kitchen, trash removal, and ground maintenance. Boat dock, boat slips available for yearly resident rental, outdoor grilling area, assigned storage, full-time maintenance supervisor. April 30, 2024. For more information, review the details below.